My biggest professional achievement is a very large question. I think so far it's just building this company slowly. We've had it for 9 years, and I'm just really proud of the people that work with us and what we've been able to build. I always thought that I would possibly pursue a culinary career like late in life. I studied art history and psychology, and I was always fascinated by food. My family traveled a lot. I grew up coming to great restaurants in New York, and it was like a real big part of my life. And I thought I'd go do a thing and make money and like retire and open a restaurant, which now I realize is really silly. I found out a friend of mine that had gone to college was cooking at Charlie Trotter's in Chicago way back in the day, and I was like, oh, she can cook, I can cook. And I started my second semester senior year in college, and I said I was gonna do it for a year, and here we are 32 years later. You know, I had been cooking for like a year and a half probably before I decided to go to cooking school. At the time that I went to ICE, it was Peter Kump's. It was very small, it was very intimate. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go to cooking school and I'll get some basic skills. And it seemed like it all kind of just flowed. I think culinary school helped me in my career, kind of rounding out some of the things that like you're not gonna necessarily learn in your first year on the line. You get like a glimpse into that, but I think more importantly is sort of having that community. You know, we take a lot of externs from ICE. We hire a lot of ICE people, and I think being able to have that connection and know that the school can rely on me to send people to, and I can rely on them. I think like the school has definitely keeps growing with the changing demands of the industry and the optionality in the industry and how the culinary direction is going. I think it's really important when you embark on a culinary career and when you go to cooking school, put your head down and just learn as much as you can, talk to as many people as you can, go to as many events as you can, meet as many people as you can, stages as many kitchens as you can. And again, like my main theme always forever is just patience. Like you do not become a chef, a restaurateur, an entrepreneur overnight. I've had a 32-year long career, and it's had the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, and I just say take the time to learn the skills, to master the craft, and the rest will like unfold as it's meant to.